Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi in conjunction with Baboa Production presents the launching of the book Hip-Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. It is hip-hop book launch and music concerts featuring Metal, Leo Emma, Daddy Son, Sir White, a Hectare of Dream FM 92.5 Enugu, Sky C, Udo, King Kelv C, One Kid, Noble Prince, Bob Zero, MC of the Day, Daddy C, Onyen Zenebu P, na Choice FM Nnewi, DJs, DJ Easy of Ebona the 103.5 FM and DJ Way of Choice 97.1 Nnewi. It is happening on the 21st April 2024 at Leofil Residency Hotel, Ogidi. Special guest of honor, Honorable Udemezue, Honorable Member representing Idemili North Local Government Council, Anambra State House of Assembly. For enquiries on sponsorship and advert placement, call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-65-79-6599. There will also be a press conference on Tuesday, 16th day of April 2024 by 1 p.m.
Okay, you're a journalist now. Yeah. So how long have you been practicing?
Not up to 10 years.
Okay. How would you describe the experience? You know, what is this like to be a journalist in this part of the world?
Very good.
Okay. Okay.
Journalism helps one to meet people, to interact, to gather the information, to entertain.
Okay.
Journalism is very good.
Okay.
So. Not many.
Okay.
Yeah. They are not conversant with
this kind of thing.
Yes,
okay.
Journalism.
Okay.
So it is only for
the value.
The value
okay.
and the importance of journalism.
Okay. So with this book launch now that we are looking at now, do you see possibility of maybe things getting better when it comes to the way our people accept journalism?
With this book launch?
Yes, stuffs like this. Is it going to improve that kind of the understanding of our people when it comes to the way they are supposed to accept a journalist?
You know that our people are not good in reading.
Okay.
They say that if you want to hide an information for an Igbo person, that you should be written. Because they are not used to reading. So with journalism, I think it's good.
But with this, we can encourage that reading culture amongst our people. Don't you think so?
They lack that. I don't think that they can.
You are not sure they will get it.
They're not used to
but we'll keep trying now, that's the thing. We'll just keep trying. Okay. Anyway, looking at the title, Hip-Hop and Igbo Culture, what is the suggestion? What do you get from it?
In the cultural aspect,
okay, yeah.
I don't have too much to say about it.
Culture, our culture. Okay.
If we encourage our people to embark more on our cultural practices.
Okay.
As you can see, our culture is going into extinction.
Yeah.
But with this day-to-day participation in cultural things, it will make our culture not to go into extinction.
Okay.
Yes. And it will impact more on our children.
Okay.
Like the upcoming ones.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You're a journalist, and what paper do you write?
Yes, I'm a journalist. I'm here on our capacity.
Okay.
The one from the News Agency of Nigeria.
Okay.
By the name Monday, representing him here. And I'm also of the champion newspaper.
Okay.
And I have my colleague by my side. Yes.
Okay. So, book launch is the reason why you're here today, sir. So, how popular is that idea to launch a book in this part of the world?
Well, how will I put it? It's really, we're meant to understand that the author is a journalist.
Yeah, you're right.
When we see journalists go up to this level, we do feel happy in the sense that, in journalism, there are three things. We entertain the people, we educate the people, we also enlighten the people. But we say education, entertainment, and we inform, we entertain, and we educate. So imagine where one of us will come on board to author a book. If I have my word, I will send him overseas. So that is me. The type of thing we want from government.
Okay.
Yes. I won't go as far as asking you if somebody is behind by way of assistance.
Okay.
But the truth is that it is a very big encouragement, of which the sky is your limit.
Okay, thank you so much. Looking at the title itself, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, what is it saying to you?
Yes, I'm more interested in the cultural aspect of it.
Okay.
We've been going to places like journalism. I personally ask people, this Igbo culture and tradition. It's like this thing is going into extinction.
Yeah.
So you have a kind of division into two ways. Some are saying it's going into extinction. The other one said it is not. And if you're a historian, you find out that there's nowhere our culture will go into extinction. Right from when one was born, the cultural aspect has started because you have to do one or two things that have to do with culture. In Anambra State today, we have the commissioner for culture. So how come for these people who are saying that it will go into extinction? So I'm one of those that say it cannot.
Okay.
Yes.
My name is Shime Washa.
Okay.
I write for Champion Sport.
So, how many times? How long have you been in journalism?
More than 15.
More than 15 years now. In your 15 years of practicing, have you ever seen a book launch in this part of the world? Have you seen anybody launching any book around this part of the world?
Yes, once.
Okay, but it's not always, it's not a steady occurrence. You don't get to see that often around here. Okay, so if somebody should come up with that idea around here, how would the people around here perceive the person?
Well, it is a good thing.
Okay.
I personally, I like to encourage people to do so.
Okay.
And you, as a journalist, to author a book is encouraging.
Okay.
So I encourage people to do so.
Okay, so the title, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, what is it saying to you? Hip Hop and Igbo Culture is the title of the book. So what does that suggest? What is it suggesting to you?
Well, I like the title. The title name, I like it. It's good because it will encourage our people. Because most of our people are doing, they are emulating another language instead of our own. Even some are training their children with the English language instead of that Igbo language. For instance, you can see an Igbo girl in the world. You can speak Igbo to the person. He or she cannot respond to the name with that Igbo language. Instead, he or she will respond to
it's English.
English language, which is not good and it's not encouraging.
So,
Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi, in conjunction with Babowa Production, presents the launching of the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona, the 103.5 FM. It is hip hop book launch and music concerts featuring Metal, Leo Emma, Daddy Son, Sir White, a hectare of Dream FM 92.5 Enugu, Sky C, Udo Udo, King Kelv C, One Kid, Noble Prince, Bob Zero, MC of the Day, Daddy C, Onye Nzenegbu P, na Choice FM Nnewi, DJs, DJ Easy of Ebona, the 103.5 FM, and DJ Way of Choice 97.1 Nnewi. It is happening on the 21st April 2024 at Leofil Residency Hotel, Ogidi. Special guest of honor, Honorable Udemezue, Honorable Member representing Idemili North Local Government Council, Anambra State House of Assembly. For enquiries on sponsorship and advert placement, call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-65-79-6599. There will also be a press conference on Tuesday, 16th day of April 2024 by 1 p.m.